Hi guys, my name is Cash and you're watching Cashed Out Cars. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the complete process to removing and replacing an ECU in a 1.6 liter Miata. The first thing to do is to remove the screws that hold on the plastic trim piece in the door sills. Removing these will allow you to free up the carpet that's under it, which is the first step to getting to your ECU. Once the trim is removed, carefully pull back the carpet at the front of the footwell. Then remove the styrofoam piece that's underneath. You'll now have access to the fasteners that hold on your metal kick plate. Your ECU is directly under this. Once all the fasteners are out, you'll be able to remove the plate and reveal your ECU. The fasteners are shared between the ECU mount and this kick plate mount, so you could go ahead and move your ECU so you have good access to your connectors. To remove the connectors themselves, very carefully and evenly pull on them, and you may need to use a screwdriver or other method to gently convince the fasteners to let go. Finally, there may be a few zip tie-like fasteners left. Once those are out of the way, your ECU can be removed from your car. Installation is the reverse of removal, just be very careful when you're plugging it in. So guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Like I said, installation of an ECU is the exact same as the removal process in reverse, and the only thing you really need to be careful of is evenly putting your plugs back in so you don't accidentally bend any pins and so everything makes good connection. With that said, that's going to wrap up this video. If you want to see more on the ECU that I put in this, which is a Speedy EFI Speedwino based ECU, definitely check out the channel. And if you're interested in Miatas, Volkswagens, and specifically this car getting turboed, also check out the channel. Like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more. I hope you stick around for the next one.